So these New York City self-cleaning toilets cost 25 cents to use, and they also come with a 15-minute time limit. So I wondered, what happens if you do take longer than 15 minutes? I'm gonna put my quarter in. Very wet seat, wet toilet. No more cover seats. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh. 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 What? The light came on? Oh, that finish. Oh. Oh. Come on. You can't do this to me. Ugh. I knew I shouldn't have had bees. Oh. Oh. Man, I gotta drink more water. Oh. 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 Why they only give you 15 minutes in here? It's ridiculous. Oh. 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 What? Why? Ah. Wow, that is that is so embarrassing. If you're in there and you take longer than 15 minutes, what the heck?